Keita Machida is a Japanese actor. He was born on July 4, 1990 in Gunma, Japan. He is a member of the theater group Gekiden Exile. Machida is represented with LDH. In 2020, he portrayed the role of Cherub in Alice in Borderland TV series. He has two siblings, an older sister and a younger brother. He studied at Japanese Airlines High School, where he studied to become a pilot. However, due to his eyesight problems, it became difficult for him to pursue that career and therefore he gave up on it. He took a mechanics course to study the structure of aircraft. On November 20, 2019, Machida released his first photo book titled Basic. Starting in elementary school, he learned kendo until entering junior high school. Machida joined Nippon Sports Science University to obtain a physical education teaching license to teach dance to kids. In his youth, Machida also attended EXPG Tokyo, a talent school run by LDH. On February 14, 2012, it was reported that he had dropped out from being a Generations candidate and rejoined Gekiden Exile to focus on acting. Machida joined Gekiden Exile on January 25, 2011 after successfully passing the Dai 3 Kai Gekiden Exile audition. Although in July 2011, he was announced as a candidate member of Generations from Exile Tribe and left Gekiden Exile. In September of the same year, he injured the calf of his right leg and focused on recovering. He has been featured in 2 music videos. Keita has given his voice in a game and an animation movie. In 2020 has been a good year for the handsome actor as his other work came out at the end of the year, Alice in Borderland. Likewise, this series is also a manga adaptation show by Netflix based on the Haro Azur written manga of the same name.